pesos. Basta mga guys, if you have children here guys, they like my popcorn because I have a cost for this, right? Because I'm going to travel to the farm to see my baby, my hydrocephalus baby. Thank you, baby, ha. Say hi, Sadia, one more time. Thank you. So I have 35 pesos guys for the popcorn. Yeah, every afternoon magra-rides kami ng aso ko dahil para hindi siya maignorante guys sa traffic. So, mahilig siyang mag-rides guys kaya nagdidemand talaga siya, nasasakay siya sa motorcycle ko at maganda naman para may training din siya pag nasa syudad kami na dinadala ko siya, marunong siya na sumasakay ng motorsiklo. So, kaya ito ang training ko sa kanya. Mangga popcorn!
Hanggang hinog sa dia.
Mangga! Buwan na, uy!
Asa mga kong ikuha ang hulbad eh? Asos, ginoo ko, humana, oy!
Pari-sari sa buhok mo, oy! Guys, pariha mo buhok! Ay, friend mo! Guys, 40 pesos only, ha?
Hindi na, palit niya.
Bantay, ha? Palitin na lang ko ron, Nambi. Dito na kayo. Ibalik na lang. Yes. Ako, sige. Tarong agad, guys, ha? Kay Kapo edit, guys. You know that I have the best editing skills in the world. Guys, ang pagtitinda dito sa bundok ng Tralala guys, minsan ay maganda, minsan naman ay mahirap, pero talagang ginagawa ko ito dahil may advokasya kasi ako na every December may children's party ako, may senior citizens party ako, at saka may PWD party din ako dahil may baby ako na sinusuportahan sa probinsya. So kaya kailangan kong magtinda talaga ng popcorn, mangga, mani at kung ano-ano pa, salbaro, para may kita ako at hindi ako dumudukot sa sarili kong bulsa. So yan talaga ang ginagawa ko everyday pag maganda lang ang araw, dahil minsan kasi pag maulan guys, hindi ako nagbibinta dito dahil masyadong maputik at ang pangit ng lupa dito pag umuulan. So kaya lang pag ganito na maganda ang weather, talagang nagtitinda ako everyday at tumutulong ako sa mga friend ko na magtitinda sa kanilang tindahan para naman for libre food at saka yung mga doggy ko. So, pag maganda ang araw talaga guys, nagtitinda ako, kayod, kabayo talaga ako para makabinta at mayroong ganansya para ipangtustos ko sa baby na PWD sa probinsya. So, yan talaga ang buhay dito guys. Maganda ang buhay dito dahil ang tanawin, napakaganda ng tanawin dito. Kaya punta kayo dito sa bundok ng Tralala at makikita nyo ako na naglalako at nagtitinda ng popcorn, mani at mangga. So, nandiyan na yan sa kanta ko guys, na nag-compose ako ng sarili kong kanta na gamit ang gitara ko. I'm gonna get ready for the solar power guys, for my solar lights, so that when it gets dark, it is just ready to turn on. So this is usually I'm doing every time I get here, just to help my friends, yeah, to taking care of their store. Okay, so I'm done with my first task now. I'm just gonna take off the cover up at the back because we have to cover it during night time. I'm still in there and I'm going to show you guys. So I guess I'm done for now, guys. So I will show you what it's like now because my boss now, she is very busy now right now. Because of so when it is like 5 o'clock, guys, see, now it's getting to be like 5:52. So when it is getting dark, guys, see, that's the time that the people here start coming up if it is a good weather and if it's a good day. So that's my so that's my close friend there because same as me, we are the same Labyug vendor. Like Labyug means like roaming around vendor. Okay, so I think I'm going to eat my snacks na, guys. Yes. Ika? So I think I'm going to eat rice na, guys. Because my boss wants me to eat something. Hindot na lagi ilaha, guys, oh. Nice na lagi na ilaha. Ito na lang ikon na gid. Nagibuton. So I decided to put my camera angle here, guys, so that you can see the view behind the store. And my boss, she wants me to eat something. That's it. Instead of I'm just eating just a snack, she wants me to eat like rice already. So she said because tonight will be different. So I think I have no choice. Mga mga alas 12 siya, alaon na. Oh. So Lord, and this thing is about to see, but I don't think it's nice. Rice, I'm still too early, guys. I supposed not to eat rice, then it's early. But my boss insisted it, so I think I'm gonna eat it. Tulungan sila? Wala kang bangko? Ha? Aron mo lang, wala nang i-edit ka. This is Love Love, my brownie, and then here's my Bordagol here. Look at Bordagol. And look at Love Love. Love Love. Luwag na may baby love. Tabula naman ang mata sa mong Love Love. Ay, sa bay, gano'n. Oo, gano'n eh. Reklamuhan na ka? Sige, sabi, reklamo na mo. Yeah, here they are. They're eating now, guys. See? So now there are two of them who's coming with me. Bordagol. So every night, guys, if I'm here in the store, I will be feeding them. So my bosses, they're feeding my two dogs, and Love Love is not included because Love Love is, I'm feeding Love Love with dog food or cat food in the house. And I'm bringing here the cat food for Love Love as well. So since my dog, they like rice, since that they're Philippine dogs. So that's what I'm feeding them here. So this is, guys, this is our scenario every night. Ako kasi mag-adjust ani niya. Oy! Nakuya, oh! Ana, sakto. Oh.
Tala yun na rin.
Yeah,